is the people versus Sharon Dooley. Thank you. Ticket number SP 1340291. I don't know why this keeps printing out.
Okay.
Hold on. SP 1340291, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Again, good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Sharon Dooley.
Sarah Robinson for Sharon Dooley.
All right, and Ms. Robinson, you indicated that you did in fact, you verified that Ms. Dooley does have valid insurance and you stipulate the proper cause.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. We're all set. So you're all set, Ms. Dooley.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Robinson.
Bye. That's Sharon Dooley.
You're welcome. Judge, can I have a 2-minute break? I just got called to Frank Murphy for a very quick hearing.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I noticed that yesterday when I checked
Yeah, it
it
should
out.
be on the document.
Shouldn't have been on. Copy. Some clerk put it on there.
Same thing. Lewis is Lewis. I guess I, you know,
Okay, ma'am.
are they?
Okay,
Yeah,
this is what I'm
So you can take it back.
I'm looking at.
Okay, here, I know you're a lefty and all, but can you put them to the right for us all?
You're left. Your Honor, if I may, I just wanted to update the court on something.
Oh, yeah, like a.
All right, I got the offer.
Well, you don't have no warrant.
Oh, okay.
I think you look better with like,
Okay, this is.
fire. Yeah, I would learn to like him too. Because I would learn to like him too. What did your husband say? I'm with your husband. I'm with your husband. Fine. So why you ask if you didn't care?
Person on Kyle's phone, is this Kyle Duva?
Yeah, my phone cut out earlier.
Do you know what breakout room you were in?
I was in 9, I believe.
Okay. All right, I'll put you back in room 9.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, glasses can make the person look better. No.
Where you got?
No. You have makeup on? Yeah, and he's gonna take the whole OWBI. Let me talk to the client about it.
Mr. Contreras, did you need an interpreter? Probably not.
I'm gonna do it right
But you know you want me.
Good morning, Your Honor. We do need an interpreter for when we go on the record, but not for me.
Right, no, yeah.
Yes.
I figured that.
Yeah, thank you.
And Your Honor, I had previously indicated that we would require an interpreter, but it's a civil infraction, so I could technically proceed without my client if the court allows me to.
Is he here?
He is, he's in my conference room. So if you want me to bring him in, I just wanted to let the court
No,
know.
you don't have to bring him in. You don't have to bring him in. So let me get Ms. Cox out of here. So I'm gonna do Mr. Contreras
Perfect.
now, and then I'll do you, Ms. Medina.
Yeah, thank you. I just wanted to let the court know so we wouldn't waste Ms. Cox's time. Thank
Okay. This is the people versus Juan Ramirez Hernandez, ticket number Z8086861. Count one, operating while intoxicated or consent. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with interpreter, Ms. Cox.
Maria Cox, State of Michigan, qualified Spanish interpreter.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Cox. Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Mr. Contreras, you can say your name, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Contreras, P81997, on behalf of Mr. Juan Ramirez Hernandez, who is appearing via Zoom from my office and sitting down to my left. And I'll ask him to please state his name for the record.
Se llamaron el caso, en su caso Z8086861, se presentó su abogado y dijo que usted estaba presente ahí, sentado al lado izquierdo de él, y le pidió que dijera su nombre completo en voz alta.
Juan Ramírez Hernández.
All right, it's my understanding that there is an offer that your client wishes to avail himself to, Mr. Contreras.
Dice que le han hecho una oferta, lo cual su abogado dice, el señor Contreras, que usted quiere aceptar la oferta.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct. I've had time to speak with my client and he does wish to plead guilty to the amended charge of operating while visually impaired.
Sí, su señoría, yo tuve la oportunidad de hablar con mi cliente y él quiere aceptar el cargo que ha sido rebajado a manejar mientras estaba visiblemente sin todas sus facultades.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Ramirez Hernandez?
Señor Ramírez Hernández, por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura o afirma que va a decir nada más la verdad y solamente la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
¿Puede bajar la mano?
You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
¿Usted ha tenido la oportunidad de hablar en privado con su abogado sobre su caso y sobre sus derechos, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Alguien lo ha amenazado o chantajeado o ofrecido algo de valor para que usted se declare de esta manera hoy?
No.
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
¿Se está declarando así porque así usted lo desea?
Sí.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
¿Se está declarando culpable porque en realidad usted sí es culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
¿Usted entiende que al declararse culpable está renunciando al derecho de pedir un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y aún sabiendo que usted está renunciando al derecho de tener un juicio, ¿usted quiere continuar con su declaración de culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of May 28th, 2022 at 12:30 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Michigan Avenue and Burton in the city of Detroit?
Yo quiero que usted se acuerde del día 28 de mayo del 2022, alrededor de las 12:30 del mediodía. En ese día usted estaba manejando alrededor de la calle Michigan con la calle Burton.
Sí.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2014 Chevrolet vehicle?
Usted estaba manejando un vehículo Chevrolet del año 2014.
Sí.
Yes.
You driving under the influence of alcohol?
Usted estaba manejando bajo la influencia de alcohol. I'm sorry, I didn't hear his answer. Diga otra vez su respuesta, por favor, no lo escuché.
Sí.
Yes.
And did the alcohol impair your ability to drive?
Y el alcohol estaba impidiendo su habilidad de manejar o pues impidiendo.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Contreras?
¿Está satisfecho, señor Contreras?
I'm satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Estoy satisfecha, su señoría. Gracias.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the count to operating while visibly impaired. And we'll set a sentencing date for January 6th at 8:35.
Entonces, la corte está satisfecha con su declaración de culpable a los cargos rebajados de manejar mientras estaba visiblemente impedido sus facultades, y vamos a dictar sentencia el 6 de enero a las 8:35 de la mañana.
Mr. Contreras, I'm going to give you the number to the probation department to have the pre-sentence report set up. So the
Yeah.
number is 313-965-3141.
Le dio al señor abogado Contreras el teléfono del Departamento de Libertad Condicional donde tienen que llamar para hacer arreglos para su entrevista.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Gracias, su honoría.
All right, you guys are all set. Good luck.
Entonces
great day.
ya terminamos. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right, thank you,
Gracias.
Ms. Cox.
Bye-bye.
Jonathan.
Versus Jose Rivera Santos, ticket number P1251739, count 1, disregard signal red or amber, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, no valid registration certificate. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Crystal Marie Medina on behalf of Mr. Rivera Santos.
It's my understanding that there is an offer that your client wishes to avail himself to.
That is correct, Your Honor. I am prepared to plead responsible on my client's behalf to the amended charge of blockading traffic. My understanding is that the other two charges would then be dismissed, Your Honor. I have discussed this with him, and he has given me the authority to proceed on his behalf.
All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket.
I do, Your Honor, so stipulated.
So the court will amend count 1 to blockading, and then you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
That is correct, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine that is due in 14 days because it's a civil infraction, but because it's a holiday on the 11th, we'll do November 14th.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Medina.
I hope each of you have a nice weekend.
You too.